So there's a few questions that we're going to look at specifically. What strategies do psychologists employ to motivate athletes? What role does mental rehearsal play in various sports? What is the effectiveness of relaxation techniques? For example, listening to music to improve performance. And then the fourth one, how do psychologists develop concentration skills in athletes? One thing with sports psychology is that it draws on broader school of psychology more generally, and so everything that we do in sports psychology is applicable across any life circumstance. And so again, with high performance, you're also looking at business consults, those sorts of things as well. Anyone that's just wanting to improve music and the arts, a whole range of different things that sports psychology looks at. So it's not just sport, it's looking at human nature in a performance context in many ways.